Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Ram 2500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.